Union Minister Giriraj Singh visits Krishi Vigyan Kendra Utlau, says solar loom technology will be introduced to encourage handloom sector in Manipur. Thaunozam Chauba alleges that Congress government has failed to establish sports university in Manipur. Students of Government Polytechnic suspended agitation after Education Minister Okendro assures them that the government will address their grievances. And N. Sovakiran re-elected president of Manipur People's Party. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I am Butchi Malamam with the top stories. Union Minister of State for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Giriraj Singh today stated that Manipur will soon have an extension center of Fragrance and Flavor Development Center FFDC and solar loom technology will be installed in the state to encourage the handloom sector. Interacting with media during an inspection of Krishi Vigyan Kendra Utlau, the Union Minister added that the center will talk to all stakeholders of the state to encourage entrepreneurship in Manipur. Giriraj Singh also saw the piggery and mushroom cultivation at Utlau KVK. Commerce and Industry Minister Govindas Konthaujam, BJP Manipur Pradesh President T.S. Chauba and executive members of BJP accompanied the Union Minister of State during the visit. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thaunozam Chauba today accused Congress government of having failed to establish the sports university in the state. Speaking at the reception of 2 BJP councillors and 3 independent candidates of Sikhong Sekmai Municipal Council who joined the party at Nitepa Chuthek office, T.S. Chauba said the Congress government is a self-centric, corrupt and inefficient government. He said the Congress has failed to utilize the Rs 100 crore sanctioned for the construction of sports university as it has been unable to provide a site for the construction. The BJP leader also added that it was clearly shown in the recent by-elections and the civic body elections that people have lost trust on such incompetent government.
Congress ki government sina minority shoyriba Muslim singa khatnaraga hojik saba ngamdadan leire lamlemna katke hariba Fajagrabam Pamados Hajasuadi, Government of Indiana Piraiba, 100 crore, Satnadramanina, some pending the non lapsable Pula Tadar labor. Asigumas Hason, Haitrava, Amazon law and order, corruption, budget ki Putorapada, Amat the Mong Tadra, Adumas Hakarni, Haibase, Prajana, Kangabani, and Taje, Handaki Municipal Corporation, the show, Tina Mighty Pigani.
Thongju MLA Bishwajit, who also took part in the reception, stated that there is no question of stepmotherly treatment towards the state by the NDA government in the centre. He said the union government has approved the construction of Quaramban Market and 11 markets in and around Imphal City for the first phase. Measures are being considered to provide Rs 200 crore for the development of national highways and other major roads passing the state. Bishwajit also stated that Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has already intimated to BJP state unit that detailed project report on the matter is awaited from the state government.
Imphal ki peripheral da leiriba amadi Imphal dagi haidoi harakanda Nambol da leiriba dagi atopa Sikhong Sekmai gi leiriba jaga amadi Hairo ki nagar panchayat ki jaga se kaithen chananabagi prastab ama akoi union minister da koi haijagre haiba punamaksi yamna thuna makoina yengchenba lae harakana anauba banba yabada kongba kwakaithel khurailamlong women folk yamna maru oiba akoi historic oiraba kaithel sigi matang da koina koi pawung chawna lusinge harakanda I saju yaujare harakanda koina proposal thangatsagre haiba punamaksi athubu matamda makoina yengchengani haibagi ayabasu pibirakhiba.
Students of Government Polytechnic Tagilpad have suspended their agitation following assurance from the Education Minister M. Okendro Singh that the government will address their grievances. Minister Okendro visited the Government Polytechnic this morning and met the agitating students. The minister inquired about the problems of the students and inspected the deplorable condition of girls and boys hostel and mess hall. M. Okendro expressed his displeasure on learning that the students of the institute were not provided breakfast. The Government Polytechnic Authority informed the minister that the present mess fee is not sufficient enough to provide breakfast to the students. After inspecting the deplorable condition of the boys' hostel and the campus, Okendro assured the agitating students that a meeting will be held tomorrow between Education Commissioner, student representatives and Minister himself to address the problems faced by the students.
Handaki arkwek soise hujik phawde khoi gi recorder school chamri ga marphu henkre haba the sisu part amani ado seja moina khudak te address to video have du gi nuaite leiba film sida khoi moi gi kitchen na tei to godo sing sidi khoi phan leite leitraga su arai ba kaino honara ga tawdraga di sidi yamne khoi su yam su minare khoi ji yeng modem na puni nung si di moi gi lerami ba mong mato mai gi dining hall da leri ba thenre ba wa ba sing se adana hayeng evening pung mari da
Following the assurance from the Education Minister, M. Okendro Singh, the striking students decided to suspend the agitation which began from the 30th of last month. The students are demanding regular classrooms, standard blackboards, basic amenities in the hostel, proper fitting of electric wire, repair of the fence damaged during the January 4 earthquake, among others. General Secretary of the Students' Union of the Institute, Asem Prem Maite, said if their demands are not fulfilled in tomorrow's meeting, then they will resume their agitation. It may be mentioned that yesterday agitating students turned violent. On Saturday, the students had locked the government polytechnic located at Tagilpat and also boycotted Principal K.H. Ras Chandra.
So, Minister ngasi masamung lakbiram khoi college ki awal pa amadi infrastructure mayam yingbiram si tangta khoi yam nungai phawje yam thajab ju thamje minister do khoi makha ta khongjang ji khoi ngasi di hantok jarage hayeng minister unari ba phawde ma unar matung da khoi kari to go yab ge habdu mayam ju pulla khoi makha ta khongjang jingchan gi gani leptuna kai mo thok pakhalak tar ga de.
All Manipur Working Journalist Union AMJU will felicitate Paujel Chauba tomorrow for his investigation of the Chungkham Sanjit Fek encounter case. AMJU has requested all its members and editors of print and electronic media to attend the program at Manipur Press Club tomorrow at 11 a.m. N. Shobha Kiran has been re-elected the president of the regional party, Manipur People's Party, at the party's conference held today at its office at Polo Ground, Maning. The flag of the party was hosted at the event, which was attended by the leaders and party workers. The conference discussed the policy and program of MPP, approval of annual financial statement of accounts from January 1 to December 31, 2015, and annual budget for 2016, and passed several resolutions. The resolutions included demarcation of territorial boundary of Manipur with the help of experts, repeal of the AFSPA from Manipur, enactment of the bills passed by the Manipur Assembly as Act to protect the indigenous people of the state, deployment of National Highway Protection Force on national highways, development of Imphal-Jiribam Road, and setting up of a Manipur State Lokayukta. And Shobha Kiran, who has been re-elected MPP president, told the media that resolutions of the conference will be the party's election manifesto. He said MPP will take part in the mass rally to be held on February 6. MPP was established on December 22 in 1968 and is one of the oldest regional parties in the region. Shobha Kiran maintained that the party has been fighting for the important issues of the state.
Manipur People's Party ki conference tawgada numitchida kangbu kharna tawge haiba matadawna yumamada Manipur People's Party ki general secretary khalle haina loktorpase Manipur People's Party na condemn tawe allegation khara tawgi damakta makoi defamation shoot tawgani haibase Manipur People's Party ki maikai gi thamjari khwaidagi nova fake encounter haiba tardi Ravina gi Sanjit ki wathok sin oigadrana khali haliba Herojit Kawba head constable amana matak thongba officer gi order gi matungin aina hatpani masida loireba adu masibu ngasi yengthokna dana ngasi CBI da sinegadani NI da sinegadani court pending leri hadna sarkar pariba ekoi gi minister singna chief minister singna police officer singna khangchinna da ba sadan lebase Manipur People's Party na condemn.
A three-day state-level Teachers' Science Congress on the theme Innovative Teaching Methodology began today at Manipur Science Center, Tagilpat. The Science Congress is hosted by Manipur Science and Technology Council, Jail Road. More than 50 teachers are participating in the Science Congress. Various resource persons presented papers on innovative science methodology. All Loktak Lake Areas Fishermen Union Manipur Alafum, along with Environment and Ecology Wing Government of Manipur, cleaned the Nambul River in Bishnupur using boats. The cleaning program was held on the theme Loktak Wetlands for Our Future Generation as part of the World Wetland Day. Alafum Secretary O. Rajan Singh said even though the river could not be cleaned on a large scale, polythene bags, plastic bottles and other pollutants were removed with an aim to save the Loktak Lake.
Loktak se Impal Shahar ki chen rakpa adu phathau jising ki dumping rakpa adu pollution kaya ki hol rakpa pham ma oi reba sina maram warakal da masidi ki kramana kandini haiba sigi koi khanar matung da Loktak ta ngamjari khoina yauna mak ngamdraga su mag lejari amount kudi mak khoina lokap ngamdraga su Loktak ta hakchina na botan khandi tumbanga moitaba sarsin mayam se ai khoi na mafam san lusilaka da Loktak ta handaba adu thokado pollution do kanbang ngamna makta ai koi ngasi Nambun turen besinda ai koi siamagi thaba se sanjala ri
LDA and Anoba Mangal Foundation also observed World Wetland Day today on the theme Wetland for Our Future Sustainable Livelihoods at Iting Sendra. Speaking at the function, Works and Transport Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar said shortage of food products, minerals and change in global climate is a big challenge to humanity. He also said big buildings are not the indication of progress and focusing only for profit has destroyed the environment.
Loktak mapan da leiriba amadi Loktak mapan da natana akoi gi Loktak sida tariba turel sing haiba tare masigi Imphal mayon dagina masidam turen mapan da tariba mayam da achoba awareness sama akoi piba da achoba thodang lawribani masugumba wetlands de masugumba awareness masugumba function singasi akoi yam tuina akoi resource person singna masi miam da gyan tahan biba masi hotna biba si amna mathong tai.
A special team of Imphal West Narcotics Cell today seized about 2.6 kg of opium. Sources reaching Impact News said the contraband was seized at the Winger Parking Tribal Market, New Chekon under Imphal East Porompat Station. The woman who was carrying the contraband has been identified as Nemkol Hing Kongsai, aged 35, wife of Saiko Hao Kongsai from Litan Chepu, Tourist Bang in Ukrul District. Imphal West Narcotics Cell have handed over her to Porompat Police Station. Villagers of Nungoi Ward number 2 on the Sawambung Gram Panchayat decried the misappropriation of Manrega fund by some elected representatives. Speaking to media, Laisangthem Pusparani, a job card holder, said passbooks and account numbers of the job card holders are given to them by the representatives. 40% of total amount of job card is for material cost, while the rest 60% is for wage. Pusparani asked where have the 40% of material cost for 4 years gone. Demanding transparency in the matter, Pusparani also drew the attention of the relative BDO, DC and Rural Development Minister.
Thabak supam sungsu sudana aikhoigi khusuman numini gi pijage haiba angakpa poi numit kayani lakpano MC na kadai de chatkre haiba chapchana job card holder singna khangningi numit mangani sigi manungda sengdok pidaba taragadi aikhoina haijariba miyeng changbidrabadi RTI netraga PIL thanana ba sem chaba punamak loire haina ai isa job card holder amoina warning tawjari habasida aikhoi mayamna sigidamak sem chajare.
Convener of RTI Cell, BJP Manipur Pradesh, Mongjam Apoire Hanba, warned that the BJP RTI Cell will start spilling the bin on such malpractice. He also appealed to the general public to be aware and voice their objection against such malpractice instead of remaining silent.
Masigumba aranba mayamsi masi thabak sudana paisa lokthokpa miyoibagi chanabigi wangda tawriba mayamsi athu matamda semtoktrabadi masi achokba awonba ma laknabai damakta masi akhoi party side techu angambal event da honarani aduga yam thuna ngasi taliba dabi singse hariba numit mangani sigi manungda thu matamda pithoga masi sta ongtang solution ama porakna ba si block development officer na tawbiyu manipur gi mafam khuding makta gram panchayat singda ZP singda masi lana tawriba masi gumba thawong mayam masi semtokna bai damakta mafam khuding makta leibiba praja singnasu masi yam kupna khanaraba matungda masi gumba soiba mayam masi kholaw ma sangdragadi masi awon blak yaroi.
The 8th General Conference of DESAM, which began on January 30, concluded today. 672 delegates from different districts of Manipur took part in the 4-day conference, which also elected 55 members of Executive Committee for 2016-17. Moirangthem Angamba Maitei has been elected president of the student body. The 14th Foundation Day of Slopland Public School in Salt Village, Khongjom was celebrated today. Founder of the school, Anne Babulin, said the school aims at preparing students for life and make them able to stand on their own feet once they finish school. Song and dance performances by the students highlighted the celebration. The result of the science competition organized by All Manipur Students Union on the occasion of a union's 50th Foundation Day was announced yesterday. Students of government and private schools took part in the science competition held on January 31 at Bishnupur Public School. Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad had launched an academic awareness campaign at DM College of Arts today, expressing concern over the attack on students from the northeast region, including Manipur and metro cities. Sagolban MLA RK Imo reiterated that the issue should not be taken lightly. RK Imo said students from northeast states face a number of problems in metro cities, including Delhi. He said the CBSE and other state education boards should include different topics on northeast in their syllabus to create awareness about the region. RK Imo also expressed serious concern at students of the state going to other states for education, draining a huge amount of money from the state, and stressed the need to develop education system in Manipur to meet the needs. Teachers and students of colleges took part in the event.
CBSE ki curriculum dara, atai board ki curriculum dara, northeast ki, tuan state ki chapters kara yaw badar ka tabla. Even based Barua committee ne sudum haibani masi yam important over port amasu mubra. We have to focus on certain issues, on certain points where it can make an impact, where it can have a positive effect on those people who are residing in other parts of the country. Akoi certain akoi isna handai haibadi nate tawgadabu akoi na world class education agadrana traga hena quality education pamok matamda akoi samak loinamak ayamana mapanda saningbagi haibagi keno silai bakoida.
The 2-day seminar on capacity building program for elementary teacher education and effective organization of intensive program, which began yesterday, concluded today. The seminar was organized by Department of Teacher Education NCERT at the auditorium of SCRT Lamphel. SCRT Director Meena Kumari said the seminar was organized to impart best training to teachers.
The National Council of Education Research and Training New Delhi collaborated with Sinjabani. Adwa program asiki pandam di NCT gi framework 2014 gi matungina koi ahong ba lakliba sing adu gyan ta na ba enlighten to ba program amani adu program asida yauriba participants sing di Nagaland gi moi Nagaland diet faculty hai tarimo 17 adu koi gi state of Manipur gi diet faculty koi 17 ama punna 34 participants.
Manipur Olympic Association has requested state-level sports associations affiliated to MOA and sportsperson of Manipur to participate in the mass rally for the common future of Manipur to be held on February 6. Uripok Nupi Apunbalob, Unal and Nongpok Imphal Lomi Sinmi Apunbalob Nilsal Manipur will also take part in the mass rally organized by Amuko, CCSK and UCM on February 6 for the common future of Manipur. Residents of 35 villages who have not been getting power supply since January 6 today stormed the Urembam substation of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited. These villages are covered by the western feeder of the substation. Convener of Western Feeder Electric Consumers Association I. Gandhijit said representatives of the association on January 29 met the general manager, who assured them that power supply will resume from February 1. However, after the authority failed to restore the supply, irate residents stormed the substation today. Students appearing in the 10th and the 12th board examinations are facing huge problems due to the non-availability of power supply. Consumers even urged the company to disconnect household power lines if authority cannot provide them power regularly.
Karigamba Western Feeder na koliba jaga asida mai si chang nai na pibidaba taraba load shedding ju hujikti leiraroi haire karigamba ngahak amuk mutpa amuk mai amuk thabi ba tawba taragadi aikoina thingaba taragadi mai gai somda aikoigi mai gi khudong chadaba phangiba sing asina electric amu hana logdana ba aikoi warep chapchana longjai office sida puriba DJ masamaksu ngasi si aikoi lakani haibaji khangibani khangna ma masamaksu aikoi office si thong lon laga lerami kana amata unaba phangde staff amata thoraga aikoina horiba si karigino karmai to buno aikoi masi solution porona bohana jage haimana singba aikoi da kariguma kamel ama phamu piba leiti.
Certificates were distributed to 41 successful students of Basic Digital Training Program organized under National Digital Literacy Mission as part of the Digital India campaign today at Manipur Press Club. The 10-day training program was organized by National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology and Career Clinic Imphal at the Library of DM College of Arts. National Digital Literacy Mission OSD Jiten Bora gave a picture presentation of Digital India. Kaisamthong MLA Laisom Ibomcha, who was the chief guest of the function, said Digital India campaign will make life easier for the common people. One-month Manipuri dance workshop for children organized by Leanda Folk and Classical Academy concluded today. The workshop was held under the sponsorship of Department of Art and Culture, Manipur at Progressive Artist Laboratory, Lamboy Kongnang Kong. Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy Pradhan Guru A. Tombinau, Progressive Artist Laboratory Director and Tiken Theatre critic Rajmani Ayekpam, among others, attended the closing ceremony. Leanda Folk Academy Pradhan Guru A. Rasheshwari said the workshop is organized annually to teach the basics of folk and classical dance to the young children with an aim at preserving the cultural heritage of the state. Children who took part in the workshop also staged various cultural programs on the concluding day.
ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯁꯪꯗꯕ ꯈꯥꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯍꯩꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯂꯥꯞꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯞꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯇꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯛꯁꯣꯞ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Founder member of Chumthang Musical Organization, Mukherjee Ilangbam, popularly known as drummer Wangamba, passed away on February 1. Members of Chumthang Musical Organization observed 2-minute silence to condole his death. Now in sports, Ibudao Thangsing Polo Club Khongman and Tekcham Polo Club have cruised into the quarterfinals of the 657 Mountain Division Polo Tournament. Ibudao Thangsing Polo Club Khongman dropped Khurai Polo Club B 9-1 in the first match, while Tekcham Polo Club defeated Nambul Mapal Polo Club by 4-2 in the second match today. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association under the sponsorship of 57 Mountain Division at Imphal Polo Ground. BAIC Pune and SSB Lucknow beat their rivals today in the second W. Thoibi Debi Challenge Hockey Men's Open Tournament. In the first match played at Kumanlam Park Hockey Stadium, BAIC Pune beat FCI NE 3-2. And in the second match, SSB Lucknow trounced Seyo Singzamai Wangma Khetri Lekai 7-0. The tournament is organized by Manipur Hockey with 11 teams, including 4 teams from outside the state, participating in it. Tanglai Festival, a socio-cultural event, kicked off on January 31 at Wainam. The festival will continue till February 13. Haingang MLA N. Biren inaugurated the festival. A photo exhibition called Inscrivion was also opened at the festival. FCB Bishnupur beat SSS FC Singzamai 2-1 in a match of the Tanglai Cup held as part of the festival. An exhibition, Yubi Lakpi match, was also held at the event. The festival is organized in honor of Ibudao Tanglai Bung, the deity of Oinam, and to promote the local traditions. The highlights of the festival include indigenous games like Bukna and Yubilakpi, Inscribion, photo exhibition, Potpam Lekai, market stalls and food court, health bar, free medical camp and health checkup, Women's Day, Town Day and Tanglai Cup 7-a-side invitation football tournament. The general body meeting of All Manipur Football Association will be held on April 24 this year. District associations affiliated to AMFA have been asked to submit renewal fee by the 29th of this month so that they can attend the GB meeting. District associations are also to submit names of 8 representatives to attend the meeting by March 19. AAC Baupara and Earthquake Kyathong have entered the quarterfinals of the second Nilesh Wahengbam State Level Open Futsal Football Tournament hosted jointly by Nilesh Wahengbam Memorial Trust and Usha Bhavan Club at Sagolban Sayang Pukrimapal ground. In today's first league match, AAC Baupara trounced FC Imphal Mahikoibi 6-2. Rahul scored 3 goals, Sushil Milan and Gyaneshwar won it for the winners. In the last leg of the tournament, Earthquake Kyathong beat Usha Bhavan Club B Sayang 2-1. Kant netted the goals for the winners. All the 4 quarterfinal matches will be played tomorrow. The 5th state-level junior boys volleyball tournament kicked off today at Youth Development Club, Urembam Awang Lekai ground. The tournament is sponsored by Manipur State Park Company Limited and organized by All Manipur Volleyball Association. 11 teams are taking part in this sports event, which will continue till the 8th of this month. In the opening match, YDCB Urembam beat ALYPU Patsoi Part 4 3-1. Blue Hawk Kurai defeated Chem Kagempally by 34 runs in the second elite cricket tournament today. Winning the toss, Blue Hawk batted first and met 166 runs in the stipulated 35 over, losing 3 wickets. In reply, Chem Kagempally managed to score just 132 runs, losing 7 wickets. Batsman Samson of Blue Hawk, who made 81 runs in 108 balls, was declared the man of the match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Cricket Association at Luang Pokpak Cricket Ground, Luang Shangbam. Model Club Chingamaka will take on YWC Langtabal tomorrow. Wushu Association of India's senior Taulu coach Sachidananda Mayalambam and retired technical chairman M. Birmani Singh have been selected as technical officials of the 12th South Asian Games to be held in Guwahati and Shillong. Before we end, the headlines once again. Union Minister Giriraj Singh visits Krishi Vigyan Kendra Utlav, says solar loom technology will be introduced to encourage handloom sector in Manipur. Thonodum Chaub alleges that Congress government has failed to establish sports university in Manipur. Students of government polytechnics suspend agitation after Education Minister Okendro assures them that the government will address their grievances. And N. Soba Kiran re-elected president of Manipur People's Party.